Let's talk a little bit about the morning routine. What do I mean by that? Well, it's a small space and you have to keep all the clutter and all the chaos to a minimum. What we like to do with our family is the first thing, right when we wake up, is take care of all of our blankets, all of our pillows, get all those things put back in the cubbies. So you have storage bins within your rig or your system. Make sure that all those things that were out for bedtime get put away and stored properly. Number two, do the conversion. Convert everything that has become sleep space back into daytime space. And lastly, make sure you have a place to put all your trash. Identify where everything goes, whether it's in the bathroom or in the main living area, so that whenever you are cleaning up and getting ready for the day after a long night, you can put all that trash where it belongs. And you want to take what was the bed and put it back into that dining room table so that when you guys have breakfast and everybody's ready to sit down with the pancakes and the eggs and everything else, that you have a place to do that with. And it doesn't take long, but get it done first thing in the morning. That's our morning routine.